Hey, Jason here from Eiferer. Today we're looking at the Sonoff TX Ultimate. Smart touch switch with RGB edging, sound and haptic feedback. Plus eWeLink-Remote for no wiring, multi-way control, futuristic look, immersive feel. Let's fire it up. Bulb light's a joke. Now they're glowing. Guess I must have really switched on the mood. TX Ultimate replaces the standard switch with a nearly full surface touch panel. Tap almost anywhere to toggle. The RGB edge shows status, doubles as a soft night light, and adds an ambient glow. Each touch can trigger a synchronized light, sound, and vibration, thanks to built-in LEDs, speaker, and a haptic motor. Safety first, people. This is mains voltage. Power off at the breaker. Test before you touch, and follow local code. If in doubt, hire a pro. To add a T5, click on the plus icon on the top right. Select the 2.4 GHz network. Select Continue. Select the T5 device. Give it a bit of time so it can add. Next, rename it. We're going to call it Test T5C4. Assign it to Room, Other. Click Next. Click Done. Personalize the experience. RGB Edge. Choose a color, brightness, animation, and set a night light schedule. Sound. Pick a click or a soft chime, or go silent. Haptics. Enable or disable. Covers. Swap front panels, star-themed or cartoon, to match the room. TX Ultimate can act as an eWeLink remote gateway. Pair an R5 scene controller or an S-Mate to get two-way or multi-way control. No traveler wires, and it keeps working even if the Wi-Fi is down. For more information, check out my video, R5 scene controller. Two-way control. Perfect for when past me leaves the light on, and future me doesn't feel like walking back. One last thing. There's a swipe left and swipe right feature. In South Africa, where we generally install our light switches vertically, not horizontally, the left swipe will be from bottom to top, and the right swipe will be from top to bottom. If you want a modern looking smart switch, the TX Ultimate is a great fit for your home. That's the Sonoff TX Ultimate. Immersive, interactive, intelligent. If this helped, like and subscribe and drop a comment. I run my house on renewable energy. My grandkids' energy. Sadly, it's only available after bedtime.